Why, if TWP Manufacturing bought a sliding head machine? Well, the company itself has been going 25 years. The CNC part of their machine shop has been going about 16 months, but this is their first sliding head machine. First of all, Phil, TWP Manufacturing, how long have you been going?
The company's been going for 25 years. We started with one machine in the corner, and over the years we've just grown and slowly invested into different processes, different machines, from presses to injection moulding, all the way through to CNC machines.
Okay, and there's now actually 4 parts of the group very quickly?
Yeah, 4 parts is the presswork side, the injection moulding side, the Patterson's photographic side, and then the gardening side, and then also the Barra side as well.
Okay, but your CNC part of the machine shop, how long's that been up and running?
Well, we started the CNC shop about 16 months ago. We were offshoring and outsourcing a lot of our turn parts to other various suppliers, and it became apparent with the way we were continuing to invest that we needed to do it in-house.
So you've got some mills, some fixed head lathes, but what we're going to concentrate on today is your Citizen Cincom, it's the M32. Why have you bought that?
Well, as I said, we started off with a milling machine first, and we went to a standard conventional bar feeder 12 turret head lathe, but with the amount of work we were bringing back to the UK and also doing in-house instead of subcontracting it, we decided that we needed something a lot faster, a lot more superior, but also we were having to de-pip a lot of parts as well. So with the Citizen's machine, we found out that it can do all the milling on the Y-axis, it's got all the turret facilities, it's also got the sub-spindle facilities, therefore we can have parts coming off from 3.5 minutes down to 1 minute. And they're coming off finished, no one picks it up, no one touches it. The next operation, it goes straight to plating.
Brilliant. Well, you've got the parts there in front of you. Could you just show me how it's coming off now and how it used to come off as well?
Yeah, I mean, conventionally we were doing the parts as a turn billet, and then from there we were then putting it onto the XYZ machine, and then we were having to then machine the flats on the side as a second op. But now with the Citizen machines, we're doing it in a minute, and it's coming off finished with no parting, no de-pipping, and the surface finish and the speed is just incredible.
Okay, and again, you know, even the machining time has come down, but no operator intervention in terms of 2-ops and things like that?
Yeah, I mean, there's no operator intervention there, you know. We're not at lights out manufacturing yet, but we are looking to do that. Consequently, the parts come off, they get checked through the batch number, and then they go straight into the box and straight to the platers.
Right, and at the moment you're just making the 1 part, but you're looking to do 5 parts on this machine, set it all up?
Yeah, we've literally got the machine running in the last couple of weeks, consequently we've got all the tooling now to do the 5 other parts that we're going to do on the 1-inch hex, and they consequently by the end of July will all be coming off. So there's another 5 parts there, which in total comes to about 200,000 parts a year coming off one machine. This one machine, with the calculations we've had from Citizens, will do all of the parts without any trouble whatsoever.
Now, obviously, the eagle-eyed amongst them will notice this is a second-hand machine.
Yep.
I think it's 2,000, but this is about, yeah, you're reassuring you're making a great product, but the support Citizen have given you, what have they done?
I mean, it was quite ironic, really. I met Ed James at a function in Birmingham, and his eyes pricked up when he heard we did CNC turning. So, of course, Ed being the way Ed is, said, Phil, I want to come and see you. He came along and saw us, along with Warren, and between the two of them, they sort of told us where we think we could be and how much better we could be. So from the very first stages all the way through to the end stages, Citizens have been with us. They gave us our timing on the parts. We then went to purchase a machine independently, which we got, and the question was to Warren was, well, can you support me in this machine? Phil, we can do everything. So even on a 20-year-old machine, yeah, we had the tooling support, the setup support, the maintenance support, all the way through the CAD training and the training on the machine. And without a shadow of a doubt, we wouldn't have been able to do that. And especially when some of the lads have never used a machine like this before. So it's a massive step up the ladder for us, and it's definitely the right direction we could go in.
And your background, I mean, this is fantastic operation, it really is. You've got 4 units here, 2 down the road, a load of different processes, but CNC and specifically sliding head, that's not your skill set, is that correct?
I'm a toolmaker by trade, so of course we know everything. And you know, what we can't do doesn't matter, does it? Because we can find somebody who can. And I think even though we bought a 20-year-old machine, the support we've had all the way through those processes has been brilliant. And you know, I understand machining, I understand turning, I understand engineering. Yeah, what I didn't do is understand this machine, but also when I saw the machine and the demonstration we had, it was almost like a light bulb moment, because it just went bang, Phil, get a sliding head. Even to the point now where we're looking for another sliding head, and we'll look to continue to invest, because that's definitely the way to go.
There you go. Perfect. A great testimony, both to yourselves and to the support Citizen have given you. Thank you very much.
Brilliant, thank you.